Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll take you to the theme park Magic Mountain. This is one of the major attractions in Moncton. There are 4 different zones in this theme park, and this splash zone is exclusively for water rides. We went on a weekday and wait time was between 10 to 15 minutes in the water slides. In addition to the locker rental, you need to pay for the double tube as well in case if you want to enjoy rides with family. I think it's $3 per hour. We started our rides with the lazy river and ended with the wave pool. Once we are done with all the rides, we changed our dress, had our food, and went to the next zone called Fun Zone. This is where we have the other amusement rides and we have to pay separately for this zone.